So my husband is currently at his work Christmas party. It's at Topgolf. Honestly, it sounds like they're having a lot of fun. Now, if y'all thought that I was just gonna get takeout or something tonight, no. Because he forgot to tell me that he had his work Christmas party. So I already bought groceries. So, just for myself, we are making burgers and loaded baked potatoes. So, let's do it. Because mama needs to eat. I need a snack while I'm cooking, and I was gonna make mozzarella sticks, but I decided to be a little bit healthier. So, we're gonna do bell peppers and sour cream. All right, I've got the oven on. First things first, we're gonna get potatoes in the oven. I've got my potatoes wrapped in foil, ready to go in the oven. So I'm gonna pop these in at 400. They take a while to cook, probably an hour. I can't be trusted right now with crunchy snacks and dips. Like I shared my Target haul. I just got back from Target and I got 2 things of hummus because yesterday I ate a whole container of Trader Joe's hummus with a bag of these. So at Target, I got more pretzels than like the pretzel thins, and I got 2 hummuses. Now I'm doing this. I don't make the rules. All right, it's been an hour. My potatoes should almost be done. I can't wait, so I'm throwing these in the air fryer. I need a snack. I need mozzarella sticks. All I want is for my kid to look at me the way she looks at Miss Rachel. All right, let's get these burgers going. I tried that trick tonight that I've been seeing on TikTok where you put some veggies in mac and cheese and let's just say that it didn't go well. So we won't be trying that around here anytime soon again. It really didn't go well. So it was a really good idea though. It really was. So in case anybody was wondering, this is how we're looking these days. I dress like this, so I feel like people don't notice. Ooh, my marinara sauce! As far as my onions, I tossed them into my cast iron. I'm gonna go ahead, get them all nice and sauteed, and then obviously I'll be cooking my burgers on top of those. But it is gonna take a few minutes, and my mott sticks are almost done, so another intermission, another snack intermission to dinner. My mozzarella sticks are done, but they are really warm, really hot. I don't know why I said warm. So they need to cool, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my burgers on the grill. I've got my burgers going in the back. We're gonna season them in just a second. So good. And now we gotta season them. Obviously, this would have been better if I had mixed the meat together with the seasonings, but that would have been an extra step in another bowl, and I already have a bunch of dishes in the back to do, so not doing that. Starting off with some plain salt, but I didn't add all that much because I'm also going to add in a dash of Lorry's. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with some black pepper. And then I'm thinking, I normally don't use onion powder. I'm gonna go in with garlic powder. I normally don't do onion powder. However, my sister-in-law made some smash burgers over the summer with onion powder in them. And it was actually very lovely. So I'm gonna throw in a little bit of onion there too. All right, I'm gonna let these go and eat my mozzarella sticks while they cook. Me and my husband started a new series together for the first time in literally 4 years. Like the last time we watched a series together, it was when we were living in our apartment. The reason why we never end up watching like series together is because my husband is a 1 episode like every few days kind of guy. And I'm a 3 episodes a night kind of gal. Like I am committed to a series. When I commit, I am committed to it. So now, as I sit here by myself with my mozzarella sticks, listening to Miss Rachel, I really want to put it on. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, my potatoes are done cooking, so I scooped out all of the potatoes in here, and I also have some green onion and a little bit of cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of butter or margarine. And now I'm gonna add some sour cream. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all up. I added my filling inside of the potatoes, and now I'm gonna top each one off with just a little sprinkle of cheese, and these are gonna go right back in the oven just for a few minutes or until the cheese is melted. My burgers finished cooking a little while ago as well. So I've got a brioche bun here that I just heated up for a couple minutes. I'm gonna add some mayonnaise. Got my cheeseburger with my caramelized onions. My potatoes are all done. All right, I'm gonna eat quick, and then this kitchen is a mess. Thanks for making dinner with me. I hope you guys have a great night. Bye.